Hi everyone, it's Tina with Tullydecor, and today I wanted to do something a bit different. I wanted to make incense. These incense unscented that I bought off Amazon, and I also have a couple of sample bottles that I had gotten from the Flaming Candle, and this one is from Candle Science. I have Black Sea and Asian Sandalwood. So let's see how this goes. So here I have two foil pans, trays, whatever you call it. I'm sure there is a correct name for it. And I'm going to start off with using, let's see, like 3 incense per fragrance. I personally love burning incense every morning as a way to, bring in the new happiness. Oh, let's turn you. So I normally burn incense every morning. I would light one at my door, one in the kitchen, one downstairs in my office, just as a way to cleanse my space. I don't know, it's what I do. And I decided, why not try making my own incense? Anyways, it hurts standing like this, so I'm just gonna stand back up and jump right into the video. So I am going to use Asian Sandalwood, and I'm just going to take a little bit and see what happens. I hope you can see this. I still take all my videos on my phone. One day when I get enough motivation, I will purchase a camera, but for right now, this will have to do. So I'm just making sure to evenly coat the incense, and I guess there's a spot missing over here. And the color for this instantly changed. Let's see if I can bring it up. This is the one I just did. And this is the color of it without the fragrance oil. It actually seems like there is enough fragrance oil left on my container in the foil tin that I can probably use. Let's see. Because you guys know I'm all about saving. Yeah, look at that. Now I don't know how strong this incense would be. If you have done this before, please comment, tell me what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right, what I should expect. Just comment. All right, so I'm gonna need a little bit more fragrance oil, I think. This Asian Sandalwood, I had mixed it with an, what is that, an eucalyptus fragrance. So good, so good. All right, so that one is done. And I'm just gonna use all of this. All right. So it looks like it is soaked. The color of the incense stick has changed. There's a little bit over here that didn't get any. Need to empty the trash. That is normally Layden's job, to empty the trash, and Liam's job is to make sure the kitchen is clean. right, so I'll move that out of the way and bring this in here. Take the top off. I should be wearing gloves, but I'm not. Do as I say, not as I do, isn't that the saying? But I normally wear gloves. I normally try my best to be as safe as possible. I hear my washing machine going off. It's laundry day today. Why is this one doing this? Come on. All right. So I guess I'll put you over here. Do you guys have a lot of fragrance oil like I do? I have a ton of fragrance oil. Some of them I had since 2019. And no, I don't use them anymore. I don't use those anymore, but they're still sitting there. I keep saying, oh, I'm gonna make a video with using old oil. See if we still get the same hot throw and if it behaves the same, but yeah. I guess I'm rambling too much, but I'm almost done. The boys got out of school early today, so I'm trying to get this done before they get home, so this weekend I can test it out. I don't think these take long to dry, which is all we're waiting on basically, I think. I could be wrong. I've never done this before. Please let me know if you have. So I'm just going to, after they're all coated, I'm just going to add them up here so they're not sitting in that fragrance oil, as I did with this one. And now I think I'm going to move it over here. Hold on. Now I think I'm going to put it over there because Liam is very sensitive to fragrances. And being on the island where he eats, because it's the only table we have, might be an issue. All right. So it didn't catch on fire. That's a great thing.